Hello and welcome everyone to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. I would like to start off by sending a big shout out to the channel supporters. I would like to say thank you to you all. Thank you to the channel members. Thank you to the website training members of the training portal on the website. I thank you all for your support and your continued efforts to grow as a technician and build your business. For those who are viewers of the channel, I invite you all to take the opportunity to go ahead and join the channel and check out the perks that you will receive. Uh, reach out reach out to me on the community section of the channel, and I will get right back to you. And then also have access to videos before they go public on YouTube. So take that opportunity and support the channel because even though you may not be aware, it really helps us as creators to be able to get this support from you. So again, I thank all the members that have supported and that continue to support on the channel and on the website. And I look forward to working with you more with some deeper content and some more helpful information and resources for you in the industry. So, the video coming up next, I hope you enjoy it. If you do and you're not a member, feel free to send a super thanks down on the link on the bottom, or go ahead and join the channel and continue to support. So thank you very much. Enjoy this next video. Take care and stay well. And welcome again, everyone, to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Thank you for joining me today. The name of this program today is HVACR Service Tech Tips. And we're going to start off with compressor overheat. Overheat has been a major cause of compressor failures. Temperatures in the compressor head and cylinder become so hot that the oil thins and loses its ability to lubricate. This may cause rings, pistons, and cylinders to wear, resulting in blow-by, leaking valves, and metal debris in the oil. It can also cause the stator to ground due to a spot burn. Cylinder temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Fahrenheit will begin to break down of oil, and at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, oil will be vaporized. To measure cylinder temperature, place your temperature gauge on more than 6 inches out on the discharge line from the compressor. Than six, no more than 6 inches out from the discharge line, I mean. Okay, so that's no more than 6 inches out on the compressor discharge line from the compressor. For most applications, the temperature should be below 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This factors in a 50 to 75-degree temperature drop from the cylinder to the measured point. To correct an overheat issue, I have 5 suggestions. Number one, correct abnormal low load conditions. Number two, correct high discharge and low suction pressure conditions. Number three, insulate suction lines, clean dirty condensers. Number four, provide proper compressor cooling. Number five, check low pressure control settings. Pressure controls can help to identify or remedy system problems. So what I included in this broadcast is a chart. It's from Copeland. Let's see if I can give you a good look at it here. Give me a second here. Let me bring it down just a little. Okay, so hopefully you can make that out. If not, you can be able to pull up this video and screenshot it or something like that. Or you could even email me and I can send you this chart with the pressure controls. This is a chart. It's by Copeland, but this chart gives you the control part number, the pressure control part number, the control. It gives you the connection, the range, the differential, and the settings for your cutout. Okay, your cutout, cut in settings. So it gives you all the information on those pressure gauges. And again, these are Copeland brand pressure controls. So this is a list of all of those pressure controls. You have your single low pressures, your single high pressure fan cycles controls, your single high pressure fan cycle controllers, your single high pressure limit, your single high pressure limit. It has two of each, and your dual pressure also. It has your dual pressure controls available too, and it has the part number that you would need to order, and then it gives you all the specs in there. It gives you the connection, range, differential, and the settings for your cut in and cut out, so you'll know what settings to make. And hopefully this is helpful to you all. I'm gonna try to post a link of the pressure controls for you in the description. So let me know if that works. If it doesn't, just send me an email and then I'll get you a copy of those pressure controls. But you can also get them through Copeland too. So what I will probably do is I will also include a link for Copeland Tech support, because it's very important that you communicate with your tech support with these manufacturers. That's something that I would like to stress more and more as this channel grows, is build your relationship with these manufacturers, because they're your link to understanding this equipment, and they're your link to getting the training that you need on their equipment. So they're definitely the ones you want to reach out to, but I will see if I can provide that link for you for Copeland Tech support, and then you would be able to reach out to them directly and talk to them about further training, talk to them about these pressure controls and how you should go about setting them. Okay, so just this is just a service tech tip. I hope it helps. This is all I have. I thank you all for watching. I thank you for your attention today. And please, if this helps you, please, if you're able, send a super thanks to help support the channel, or join the channel to become a member. Thank you very much. Take care and stay blessed.